Venus. The Vedic name of the Venus is Shukra, means the white semen in the body. How the Venus explains himself in his autobiography. He says, I was very near to the Lord Brahma, the creator, and always thinking in his mind, when I will become Lord Brahma or I will become the supreme in the world. Many people try to explain me that what I am. Do I look like earth, or I have got water on my earth, or I have got some gases there? I became brighter and more thoughtful after the sunset. But during the day, my brightness can also be seen on the east side or the northeast side. Thrust to acquire as much education and the secrets, sciences of the world. Remember my past very much and learn from the experiences of my past to become the creator. Explore all the intricacies of the nature, how the life can be brought on the earth. Keep on experimenting through my science, Ayurveda, the Indian medical science. My father's name was Bhrigu. He was one of the saints, very close to Lord Brahma. My father was also known as Kavi, a poet. So I was named as poetry. I was very good in my speech and singing. My thrust to acquire education. Once I prayed Lord Shiva and he will the best possible medical science on the earth to revive people. Even they are dead or they are killed by the weapons, but I got that education of reviving the people, which is known as the Mrita Sanjeevani Vidya, means the education to revive even the dead person. As the gods and angels were immortal, but the people on the earth known as demons, they had the cycle of life and death. I always wanted the people to learn this science or revive them through my science when they were killed by the gods and the angels. I always try to give people on the earth even when the gods and angels never wanted to give. Whatever they had in their treasures, I always took an eye on it and found the methods how it can reach the general masses on the earth. Once the Lord Shiva, the destroyer, was very angry and I faced him, and on his weapon I took my shape as a bee, and Lord Shiva in anger galloped me and put in his stomach. When I was in his stomach, I could learn the education while in his stomach what Shiva had. But I did lot of tapa to get myself more aware of the educations. I got the heat of Lord Shiva and I started rolling there. Lord Shiva put me out of his penis. That's why I was known as Shukra, the white semen. When I came out, the mother goddess Parvati wanted to kill me, but Shiva held her hand, says, as he has come out of my stomach, he is my son. Mother goddess also had special blessings on me. When I came out of the Lord Shiva's stomach, I had a sigh of relief after being so much into the education and in the stomach of Lord Shiva, a lot of heat. I got attracted towards the women, the beautiful women. I used to follow them. Once I entered even the god Indra's kingdom, I found a lot of women there, beautiful women, and married so many, even I don't count the numbers. I became very lusty after that. I was always liked by the kings, those who didn't have much mind to run their governments. Once I was appointed as the Prime Minister of a king known as the Danda. The Danda means punishment, as known in the Sanskrit, maybe a symbolic meaning. Once that king got angry with me because He wanted to molest my daughter, and I cursed him and burnt his all the kingdom. Due to the request of my daughter, I revived all the birds and animals and trees and revived the nature as it was. Once the teacher of the gods, Jupiter, he came to learn this science from me. I refused and sent him back to learn more. When he came back, again he said, "No, I want to learn." I made him my disciple. But the demons were very angry that this science should not be given to the angels because they are already immortal. And this son of Jupiter will be the enemy of the people living on the earth. They killed him, not once, but many times. And I revived him with my all the sciences. Once the demon played a trick. They burnt him and put in my liquor, which I drank in the evening, and the son of the Jupiter went to my stomach. And there was no alternative now to bring him out. Then I told him in my stomach, "You come out of it, and when I die, you revive me with your science." The son of the Brihaspati, Jupiter, revived me again. Then my daughter wanted to marry the son of Jupiter. But son of Jupiter said, "Now I have come out of the stomach of your father, so you became my sister." Both started fighting with each other, started cursing each other. Then she cursed, "Whatever you have learned from my father, you will forget everything." And he forgot everything. He cursed the daughter, "Your husband will never be a Brahmin of your own caste." When both were cursing each other, I could realize this is right. Otherwise, if this science goes to the angels, then I will not be able to revive the demons. Without telling this, that I cannot see from my one eye, I think my autobiography will not be complete. As my mentality to save all the demons so that they can rule the earth without the interference of angels freely as they want. Once the king, known as the King Bali, even he defeated gods and angels many times. The Lord Vishnu incarnated himself into a small boy and begged something from him. And Raja and the King Bali was very generous. He used to give the beggars whatever they wanted. I could realize immediately that it's not a small boy, it is Lord Vishnu. When the king started taking an oath by putting some water on his hand, I sat on the tip of the tumbler. Lord Vishnu could realize, and he put his arrow into the tumbler's eye, and my one eye was broken. I always live a very sumptuous life. Everything around me like a king. I love enjoying all the comforts given by the nature on the earth. I am satisfied with my wife and also my daughter, who was very beautiful. But I could not control my lust. I could not control my ego to have everything created by the Lord Brahma. If you analyze the whole story, now you see what Venus gives you in life, what Venus denotes in your horoscope. It is happiness, wife, sex, extramarital relations, pearls, woman, wife, sexual happiness, command, fame, poetry, films, music, dance,